Hi, I'm Raphael, one of the developers of ConsoliMate. Let me show you how to use the panel. To open the panel, simply go to Window, Extensions, then ConsoliMate. This will launch the panel for you. In the panel, you find two key settings, handle length and default path. Handle length adds an extra 5 seconds before the in point and after the out point of your exported media files. Default path lets you set a permanent location for your consolidations. If you don't set a default path, the tool will prompt you to choose a location each time. Once you've configured your settings, you can select your sequences. Here I have only one sequence, but if you have multiple sequences, you can select them from the drop-down list or keep it set to active sequence. Active sequence refers to whichever sequence is currently at the top. Now simply click Consolidate Selected Sequences. Choose your destination folder and ConsoliMate will do the rest. When it's finished, the folder will open automatically, containing all the media items used in your sequence, trimmed with handle length rather than full clips to save space while preserving editing flexibility. Your project is now linked to those consolidated media files. ConsoliMate doesn't transcode your media. It preserves the original source quality, so you won't lose any visual fidelity, color depth, or audio quality. The same codec and settings are maintained true. If you run this process multiple times on the same sequence, ConsoliMate intelligently detects changes and exports only the new or modified clips, then relinks them to your project. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about ConsoliMate, let us know. Happy consolidation.